Hello, ma'am. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Can you please introduce yourself?
This AVD 1371.
How old are you?
I'm 41,
What is your marital status?
married.
Do you have kids?
Yes, I have one son.
Who will take care of your son when you work abroad?
My husband,
Do you have any experience working as domestic helper?
yes, I have experience as domestic helper in Oman.
What are your main duties and responsibilities?
My duties is washing clothes, ironing, house cleaning, and gardening. Sometimes I'm taking care of the baby.
Okay, in the future, if your employer has a child, are you willing to send the children to school if you need to?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to eat Chinese food when you get there?
Yes, ma'am, I'm willing. And I'm willing to how to cook Chinese food.
Are you willing to teach or tutor your future employer's children like reading, counting, or any other learning activities?
Yes, ma'am.
When you're homesick, what will you do?
Focus on my work. I remind myself why I am here. Make myself busy, and if I have time, I call my family.
If your day off is not on Sunday or you don't have any day off because your employer needs your assistance, are you still willing to take the job?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you afraid of dogs or cats or any other pets?
No, ma'am.
Are you also willing to take care of pets like walking the dog daily?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to put down your phone and not to use it during your working hour?
Yes, ma'am, I'm willing.
When your employer gets angry at you when you make a mistake, what will you do?
Stay calm. Apologize. I promise not to do it again.
Okay, why choose Hong Kong?
Aside from the higher salary, I choose Hong Kong because it's safe country. Help me support to my family future.
Okay, if you work in Hong Kong, how long do you plan?
I will stay as long as my employer needs me.
Okay, last, say a few words to your future employer.
Please choose me as your part of your family. I am responsible, hardworking, and very much willing to learn. I will assure you that I will love your children as my own. Thank you and see you soon.